Hey everybody, Sly here, and today I'm going to be doing another Ladbaby reaction video. This one's not a TikTok, but this one it's called When Dad Celebrates with Air Horn. Before I start this video, I just wanted to say two things. Number one, I do apologize that I haven't been doing a monthly review of June. At some point at the end of this month of July, I will do a monthly review for June and July. And secondly, I'm not going to be continuing doing solo Minecraft on Wednesday because I just felt a little bit bored in that, and nothing excites me anymore playing Minecraft by myself. But I will do a reaction of Minecraft videos, and or there's a Minecraft story mode which I'm going to try out in the near future. And that. So yeah, that being said, I'm going to be reacting Ladbaby When Dad Celebrates with the Air Horn. So let's see what he's going to celebrate for.
A few days away from England's next football game, and I think my wife has forgotten that football is coming home.
Now, just to let you guys and girls know why Mark dyed his hair like an England flag color, it's because football, like in the UK or in North American soccer, England team, they always sing this song called "It's Coming Home." And yeah, that's the reason why. But I guess football is coming home. So, anyways, let's see what Mark's gonna do for Rock. Oh my God, the air horn. Oh God. Oh no, she's asleep. Oh God. Oh my God! Look at her reaction. She looks like she's got.
It's coming home! It's coming! Football's coming home! It's coming home! It's coming home! Hey!
It's coming home!
I need a coffee!
Oh God. He's so bad.
It's coming home!
It's coming home! Oh no.
Yes.
Oh my God, look at her terrifying face.
It's coming home! It's coming home! Football's coming home! It's coming home! Look you.
Oh God. Oh no. It's in the car. Oh! Zoom in. And so blurry in that. This is her terrifying face.
No more.
Especially when she was in bed, she's like, oh my God.
Do you know you're going to get beat by the Germans?
Oh! That's
Oh!
that's
Beat by the Germans.
Oh dear.
Oh God. She dyed his eyebrow in that and everything. Her eyes like.
It's coming home! It's coming home! It's coming! Football's coming!
It's coming home.
Football's coming
What
home!
if it doesn't come on?
What do you mean if it doesn't come home? It's coming home!
It's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming home.
Football's coming home! It's coming home!
Not coming out right. You're not coming out. Stay out there.
Back from the shops, he's back from the shops!
Oh God.
It's coming home!
It's coming home.
Football's coming home!
Home.
Oh, she should be
You wet myself. Oh my God. Yeah.
Oh, what the heck is he doing?
It goes both.
Oh, he's putting it
We can
on.
get together then.
He cut the bottom. Want some chips?
Yeah.
It's
Coming home. It's coming.
It's coming! Football's coming home! It's coming
Go
home!
away.
Does your mum know it's coming home? Do you know it's
It's doing my head in, Mum.
Oh, he's got 2 of them. What is he doing?
See the horn mark? Don't make me jump. I can
Oh,
see you. You're not going to
so
scare me
she
anymore.
thought that down there. She thought he under the door.
It's coming! It's coming out! It's...
Oh.
It's coming! I've run it out! I've run it! Right, that's enough! Is it coming home though?
It's coming out!
It's coming home!
No more, Mark! No more!
Oh my god, that was so funny. Oh man. Oh, I can see his hair, the England flag logo on there. It looks good on him, to be honest with you. But yeah, oh my god, that was so funny. Especially with her getting scared by air horns or scary masks or anything like that. It's just so funny. Just see the look on her face, just priceless. But yeah, if you guys and girls enjoy this video, give it a like. If you want more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button for more videos. And if you want England to come home, then hit the subscribe button. If you want England to come home. I mean, probably did come home probably a few days ago and that. I mean, this video was like maybe a week old. But yeah, but anyways, if you enjoy this video, if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and that. And yeah, so that's all the time I have for this video. My name is Sly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed me reacting when Dad celebrates with an air horn of England coming home. And until next time, sleep tight. It's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming home.